Hey guys, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really nice, simple, subtle, graphic eyeshadow bronzy look. So this was like super easy to do and this video is so short. So I'm just going to say stuff to pass the time. So I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette to make this happen, and I only used like 3 shades. So this is the palette, and I used this yellow gold shade Dragon, this more bronzy shade, and I also used this brown shade. So the first thing that I went ahead and did was take a small shader brush that was dome shaped, and I just packed on the dark bronze shade in the outer corner, and I tried to keep it as clean as possible. I did drag it out a little bit to wing it out, just a small amount, and I also just brought it just a little bit further up from my crease. So I was trying to keep it in like the shape of kind of like a cut crease or the shape of my lid without really blending out the top, because I wanted to add that harsh brown line on the top just to outline the whole look. So this is just me adding the bronze to the inner and outer corner, and then I took that golder yellow and I put that on the middle of the eye in the center just to add like a really nice kind of pop of light, or just like to reflect off of the light and make the lightest part of the eye the middle of it. So this is just going to add like a really nice reflection and kind of like a halo look, even though everything is shimmer shade. Then I took the dark brown shade and I put this on the outer corner. So I'm kind of trying to make a wing with this pencil flat concealer brush, and I connected it with my lash line as well. Then I just went on top and then just kind of created the whole kind of cut crease lid shape. And I'm using like really small strokes, and I did not pick up a lot of pigment on the brush at all either. This is just going to allow you to have a lot of control, and I'm literally using the tip of the brush to make the lines as clean as possible. But if you do end up kind of smudging it, you can definitely use concealer to clean it up and just make it look that much more precise. So I brought it all the way in, but not all the way to the inner corner of my eye. And that was basically it for the eyelid. I went ahead and took some concealer and just cleaned up the outer corner just to make it a little bit more symmetrical with the other eye, and also just to clean it up and get rid of any excess shadow that was under the wing. And then I took the brown shadow and I put it and ran it under my waterline, under my lower lash line, and then that was basically it. I also did put some brown liner on the bottom. I took some of that gold shade, the yellow gold shade, and I put it in the inner corner as well, just to add a little bit of highlight, because I felt like the inner corner was missing something. And then after that, I went ahead and applied some lashes. I also want to mention that you can do this kind of look with any color combination. So I just decided to do something kind of subtle, but still like wearable, but still in like a shape or a style that was pretty interesting. So I'm just applying my lashes right here, and I kind of use some like doll looking lashes. These are Flawless by Ashtonix on Instagram. I definitely recommend checking them out, and I felt like this style went really well with this look. I then took some dark brown liner and kind of lined my waterline. This liner wasn't that pigmented, but I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. And this is the final look. So I was really happy with how it came out. I feel like it looks super interesting, but it's still so wearable, and I feel like you can wear this with anything, and it's definitely something that has been trending lately. I wanted to do like a graphic eyeshadow, graphic liner type thing, and I really like how it came out. So definitely I suggest trying this out. Like I said, you can use it with any color combo at all. You can use it with like red and pink shimmer shades, and then just like a dark color to outline it with. But that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!